I know we got. Wait. I'm coming back.
Her phone did that 10 times already.
Oh, for real?
Her phone, she need a new phone.
What's up, boo? I was not expecting to see sis on there.
You hear her voice when you came
I
in?
didn't even think about like I heard somebody, you know.
That voice miss. Yeah, like we miss your
Hey,
voice because your voice is so familiar. We be like, yeah.
How's my baby?
Oh, he's good. You know, he's coloring right now. He's occupied.
Oh, have he been studying his 5 sciences?
Yeah, he's been studying his astrology. Biology.
Yes.
Supernova.
I gotta
Oh,
make
you
some.
gotta show me my sign. I gotta get to him.
What'd you say?
I gotta get to him so he can show me what my sign is.
Oh yeah, you know y'all got the same sign.
Yes.
Y'all got the same chart practically. Similar.
Gang. Where you at? I miss him. I want to see his face.
He be like,
I want to see his face. I miss
he be
you,
like,
boo boo.
Sheba.
Well, I hate this phone.
Oh, here he is.
He like what?
What? Oh shit! Well, I did the. Okay. Go.
Look, yeah.
What's up, Stink Guy Boo? What's up, Stink Guy? Hey, Queen Game. Oh, wait a minute. Let me pay attention now, because he trying to tell on some goddamn body. Who did it?
He always trying to tell on somebody. Sis,
Who did it, Ja? Ja, tell me. I love you. I miss you.
look.
I miss you, my baby. I miss you.
Oh, he trying to show you his colors.
Your colors? Yeah. Oh, what is that? Orange?
That's orange.
What other color you got? It's purple. Yes, he is. You got purple?
Oh,
He
Go
about to
get
go.
green.
He about to go get it.
yeah.
Get green. That's my favorite color.
Color, look. Show her you brought it.
Purple.
The other side.
That is my dude. Oh my God.
You drawn.
Y'all come get me early in the morning. Hey, Lighten, how are you? Ooh, what was that? Show me again. Show me, let me see.
I guess he said he not finished. He's still coloring.
You not finished your picture, Job?
Yeah.
What is that a picture of? I miss you.
Got this. What the duck coat in the
That's my favorite color, green. I love that green. Yes, he is everything. He is all that.
That's your favorite color.
circle?
He is all that.
You want a circle?
He is. Ja, what you do a picture of? Ja?
What you drawing a picture of?
Let's see.
Let's
see. He wants to
Hey,
how are you?
He's still drawing.
He's still drawing his picture? It's a
Yeah.
surprise? Okay, I'll wait.
Look, everybody saying we missed these.
I missed them too. Got my boo. I got my tink. I knew it. What they said.
How much would you? He know it's her. Okay. He don't.
Hey, awesome. Yes, I love him.
How much would you?
A page. What page on Instagram?
Time to watch a movie. Oh, that's what he said. Yeah.
Yeah, you can't rush that artist because he got to be. Let me tell you, us Geminis, we don't move until it's done. So I already know how he's feeling right now. He trying to really surprise me.
He said, "Time to watch a movie, sis."
That in the
The
phone
first
on.
time she called, it was that somebody had butt dialed. And she called in again. I'm like, how you know this was you?
That's funny.
We keep seeing in the shower.
Once he find out she gone, he gonna be like, all right, time to go.
Oh,
Sis left. Yeah. Oh, no. Don't.
she's in town.
Yeah, she left, but she coming back.
He said, sis is game. Did I do it? Oh.
Ooh, I'm thankful.
What you said, John?
Look at
You said she was?
What'd you say, John?
Huh?
Look at Shoki.
Thanks for upgrading.
Jock,
Look at
listen. I just understood one word you said, and the rest was Spanish.
He said earlier, he said, time to watch a movie.
Oh, okay. That was fast. He be talking fast like he talking Spanish.
What
Yeah,
is?
I'm telling you.
what is?
He looks just like Sheba. Oh, Jock, put your head up so you can get the crown, Jock. Put your head up.
No.
He said, no.
Hey.
Why you did that?
You see how he was? He picked him up, Sheba. He was like, I love her. Yes, he is so beautiful.